Do you believe in love at first sight? Money or yes, short stick or long stick?
Depends.
Depends on what.
If you're not financial stable, what are you doing in a relationship? Depends
Yo,
on
what's up? I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm with
that.
Archie.
Mhm.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. No, you.
I'm great. How's your life?
I mean, it's January. It has been January. Now it's
Yeah,
Feb.
it's
So.
not fair. But you just know, we all know how January is, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, that's great. So, Archie, do you believe in love at first sight?
I do somewhat.
Somewhat.
Mhm.
Okay. How important is having a good sense of humor in a relationship?
90% important. I think
90, which means it's exceptionally
it's
important.
very important.
I get it. So, what's your ideal date, please?
Ideal depends on what you both like,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know, many other stuff. I'm more of a simple girl, so I like parks at the beach, hiking, walking for first date. That is. Mhm.
Parks or beaches?
Mhm.
What are the activities that you'll be doing?
Nothing too hectic for first date. I think talking more, less doing. If we're doing anything, it could be playing a game. Maybe we're getting to know each other via the game. Yeah.
How much do you expect your guy to give you on monthly basis?
How much do I expect him to give me?
Yeah.
I don't know. How much does he make?
Also, it depends on his budget.
It depends on your agreement. If there was an agreement, then
Okay.
Mhm.
So, are you gonna make that agreement?
Am I going to make the agreement
Yeah, with the guy.
to give me money? I don't know. I don't
You
think so,
don't know.
but I'd expect him to. So
Okay. Are you gonna go for someone who is younger than you?
no,
Not at all.
no,
How about same age?
no.
So you prefer older
I
guys?
prefer older.
Okay. So what's the highest age difference that you tolerate?
Ooh, that's actually funny. I was thinking about this just a few moments ago. I was reading a magazine. I'd say 15 years
15
or
years?
less.
Wow.
As long as it's lawful.
Okay.
hmm
I get it. So do you go for taller guys or short guys?
I don't have a problem with short guys as long as he's taller than I am. So,
Or so you just want someone who is taller than you?
mm-hmm.
Why someone who is taller than you?
I bo. I,
Well, what's the problem with short guys?
Because if we're both the same height, then who's going to protect me?
Protect me. Oh, so you think that somebody who is taller is also muscular,
Not
stronger?
quite, but I
Mhm.
think it'll be more intimidating to approaching danger um versus someone who's like the same height as me or shorter. So
Okay. Short stick or long stick?
depends.
Depends on what.
Depends on the partners, the girls or the guys. Preference.
Okay.
I can't give a definite answer for that question.
Or did you somebody with a different cultural background with yours?
Would I date?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't see a problem.
How about a different religious background? Maybe you're
Hmm.
Christian and they are Muslims, or they are Jewish and you're
hmm
Christian. Would you?
I think so, but sure, that would need some convincing.
Some convincing.
I'd have to be really in love with the guy to, you
Okay.
know,
How important is having humor in a relationship?
important. Very
To
important.
what extent?
I mean, if we're not laughing, if we're not having fun, if we're not enjoying each other's company, I don't want to be around you. So,
All right. What's your take on men who like pets so much?
pets? I don't have a problem with pets.
All right, I get it.
Uh-huh.
How about people who are into sports that much, like men who watches football or
Uh,
other sports on TV?
I don't have a problem as long as he knows when to give up the remote.
Dark man or light man?
Doesn't matter.
Man or handsome?
Ooh, both are important. I'd say that's so tricky. Can I say
Man or
50-50?
handsome?
Can I say 50? Bit of both. A bit of both.
Guys, money or handsome?
A bit of both. I can't be with. I mean, I have to look at you all the time. So, I mean, if you have money, I guess you can get some. I don't know.
All right, I
Some
get it.
pizza. Uh huh.
So, what are other attractive things that you look for in a man?
Physical or
Anything that you think is attractive.
humor.
Mhm.
I think also, if we're not talking about physical attributes, I'd say humor, someone who's smart and goal driven. And then as far as the physical attributes, taller obviously. Um, just takes care of himself, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not too particular about looks. As long as he's taking care of himself, he knows that he should shower at a certain time, at a certain point, then we're good.
To what extent is confidence valuable in a man?
To what extent is confidence valuable in a man? I'm not sure if I understand correctly. In what context?
Like, we like somebody is confident to what extent, if you to put it on a scale from 0 to 10?
Confidence is good, but ego,
You're okay? You just want somebody who is confident.
confident, not too much ego.
All right, that's great. Do you have any other things that you think you can need in a man besides all that we've been saying?
Um, ooh, did I mention brains?
No, you didn't.
Brains, obviously. That's pretty much it, I think.
Somebody who is brains, like who has got a lot of brains, would think that much. So are you gonna go for an artistic guy or a scientific guy?
I'm more of an artistic person, so I think I'd go for more.
For an artistic, why artistic?
No, I'm saying I'm artistic, so I'd go for the opposite, I think.
Or you go for somebody who's more scientific?
Mm.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
How important is being financially stable or financially stability?
Very important. If you're not financial stable, what are you doing in a relationship?
Do you believe in soulmates?
Somewhat.
Soulmate, having a soulmate.
Somewhat. I think I do, but I also don't. I don't know. I'm in
What's your
between.
take on men who are so fashionable?
Ooh, I don't like my guy to be too dressed and too
Because we
posh.
are scared that he can be taken.
No,
Oh!
no, not really. I think you should leave the girls to do the all the things, all the poshness and whatnot. If you're clean, then that's it. Don't do too much. I don't know.
Guys,
That's
she's
my
saying she
take.
doesn't want
I
guys
feel
who
like
are exceptionally
I
fashionable.
feel like that's for. I think it's preference. I don't know.
Okay. Would you go for somebody with a completely different lifestyle from yours?
Ooh, completely different is a stretch. A bit different. Completely different is a bit much.
A bit different.
Mm,
Okay.
maybe
So,
we still get to do some things together, or we still. I don't know.
what do you do on your leisure time when you have nothing to do?
Go on walks like now. I draw. Or I go for a run.
Go for a run.
I'm always by the beach.
Wow, that's great. So, guys, thank you so much for this one, and I would like to thank you so much for participating into this vlog. Do you have somebody that you want to
My friends, you know who you are. Hey guys, it's your girl Ad. That's it.
out?